Hey everyone, how are you today? I am here with a brand new box to my page, and please check out this beyond gorgeous packaging here for this box. This is the Mama box from the brand Isabella's Clearly. So this is a beautiful natural non-toxic set of beauty and care products from the brand Isabella's Clearly. So beautiful ingredients, beautiful products, and this is going to be so amazing. So let's go ahead and check out this Mama box from Isabella's Clearly. Let's do it. All right, so here we have an info card about the Clearly Mama Beauty Box from Isabella's Clearly. I love this logo too. It's so beautiful in its simplicity. These green leaves, it tells you everything you need to know. This is going to be natural, beautiful products. Okay, so it says 100% natural and pure goodness, no preservatives or additives, vegan and cruelty free. On the other side has the information about each of the products in here. It looks like there's 6 items. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so these are beautiful, huge products, full-size products. They are all sealed with plastic, so you know that they've come totally protected and safe. This one is called Isabella's Clearly Argan. It's organic and cold-pressed, pure Moroccan argan oil. It protects, heals, and nourishes hair, skin, and body. You guys, this is 4 ounces. That is huge. Argan oil is known to be very nourishing, very moisturizing. So this is wonderful. Okay, and that is this is just pure argan oil. It says use Clearly argan to protect, heal, and nourish skin, hair, and nails. Next up is the Isabella's Clearly Bump Nourishing Body Oil. Natural and organic formula to prevent stretch marks and scars. So there's rosehip, jojoba, and vitamin E. So that is wonderful. So it's to prevent stretch marks or scars from stretch marks. It says apply generously to desired areas and massage into skin using circular motions. Use daily for best results. That's going to be wonderful as a moisturizer and to prevent stretch marks and scars. That's so helpful. You guys, this would be an amazing box for an expecting mother, and this would be an amazing box for a new mom. And my youngest is 5, so I am not a new mom, but I am still loving these ideas. I can still use that on any potential scarred areas or stretch marks, and experience the benefits from those beautiful oils as well. So I love that. Okay, next up is a facial toner. So this is Clearly Tone, Nature's Facial Toner. Clears, refines, and hydrates. Pure and natural rose water. That sounds amazing. Rose water, and that is all that's in here along with water. So pure rosa flower water. Again, no sulfates, phthalates, parabens, DEA, formaldehyde, and PEG. And it says this promotes bright, healthy, vibrant skin. That sounds wonderful. I love that. I love rose water. It's so calming, the scent, the feel, I love it. Okay, next up, here is an eyelash growth serum. Visibly longer, healthier eyelashes. So castor, coconut, and vitamin E. That's what's in here. It says to apply a small amount of this Clearly Lash onto eyelashes and eyebrows at bedtime, so you can use it on both lashes and brows, and it promotes the health and growth of both eyelashes and eyebrows. So that's beautiful. Oh, this sounds awesome. Okay, so here's Clearly Eyes. This is a gentle eye serum, hydrating and illuminating. And I believe this is a rollerball, which is amazing. I love a rollerball formulation because it just makes the mode of getting it onto your skin so easy. All right, and check out these ingredients, some really wonderful ones. So it says almond, grapeseed, avocado, coconut, other beautiful oils in here. This looks amazing. It does note to caution, it says pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid using essential oil products. So be sure if you are going to gift this to an expectant mother or new mother that that they know about that guideline as well, that caution about essential oils. Okay, and then the last item, you guys, these are huge products, full-size products, and there's so many of them and they're all so pretty and sound amazing. Okay, this is the Clearly Mojo, nature's ultimate skincare for face, hair, nails, and skin. This is organic rose hip seed oil. That sounds amazing. It says use Clearly Mojo rose hip seed oil as a nutrient to repair and hydrate your face, hair, nails, and skin. So we are totally covering all of our needs here. So we've got face, hair, nails, and skin. And actually the Argan Oil is also for face, hair, nails, and skin, and more of all over body moisturizer here. These beautiful 2 oils. Then we've got the Bump Oil, which sounds amazing as a deterrent for scars and stretch marks. We've got the toner, sounds wonderful. We've got the eye serum, and we have the lash and brow serum too. You guys, this box is amazing. Please check out Isabella's Clearly on Instagram and on their website for this mama box, as well as other box configurations they have available. Aren't these products so beautiful? And they sound so natural, amazing for our skin, for our bodies, our hair. These sound just wonderful. So thank you so much to Isabella's Clearly for gifting me this box for review. I will update after I've used these products for a few weeks because they sound just wonderful, and I can't wait to just go ahead and try them out. They sound amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to watch for my update with a more extensive review of the products, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.